All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So normally you get something, you fall out of love with it, you love it, you hate it. It's a back and forth thing. So got a new band from Samsung. This is the navy color here. Really beautiful. Also got a new watch cover, protector's lens. I got a 2-pack with this clear and then also a black. So here is the watch itself, and here's the new setup right here. I think this is really nice. Changing it up, doing something different to keep yourself entertained, it's probably gonna be the best thing to do. So I got a little discount on this, obviously, but other than that, it's just a protective shell for the front part to cover, because as you know, I have the silver watch, but those that have a black watch, you can obtain this by just switching out the band color. But I like the silver face on here, but it's completely eliminated with this face right here. This protection cover. I had to take off my tempered glass because it was poking out a little too much. This has a screen protector built in, which is cool. It would have been nice if it was just a frame, because I like to use my tempered glass, but that's cool. It's a one piece. And like I said, it has a clear one too, but the clear one has like this black ring around it, and I just didn't think it looked right. So the black definitely looks a lot better from the front. So as you can see here, it covers it very well. Just this area over here looks like it's having a little issue sometimes. When it's on my wrist though, you can't tell. But this is the blue band here directly from Samsung, and I got this from Amazon, and I'll leave a link to it down below. So I wanted to share. It goes on and off fairly simple. You just kind of pop from this side over here. No, this side, because it's got the buttons on that side. Pop it up. As soon as I say it goes on easy. There we go. There we go. So that's just the face right there. I'll clean it too. I got it off. It's kind of a fingerprint magnet, but the inside I think was dirty. Yeah, the inside was dirty. I was like, man, it can't be that much. But yeah, other than that, man, I mean, this is a good protection for your watch. And then also you can change the color of your watch technically. So, because my watch started to get a little banged up, I was hitting it up against things, and I do have the bulkier protection case that I bought, but it was just the band was kind of hurting my wrist a little bit, so I went out of it. Even with it like this, I think it looks really nice. But I wanted to complement it even more by putting on the black face, like that, the protection case, and that's what we have. So this is a really good look. I really like how this looks. Yeah, I just need to clean the inside. So there it is, man. So the band itself is just like my other band, my silver band or my gray band. They feel exactly the same, nice and comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable bands I've ever used. And there it is, man. New band, new cover, new watch. It's your man Jay. See you in the next one. I'll leave links to both of these down below. Take care.